want to know how to make a hoverboard and build a boat, I am going to teach you how. You only need 3 tools. Or if you want to make more than one hoverboard, you could use the most expensive. So, I'm going to go walk you through making one. You will need these blocks and these tools. You will need the property tool, the scale tool, and the paint tool. Or if you want, this, the trowel, so you can copy and make more hoverboards. So, first, what you want to do, you want to get a metal block. You want to get your scale tool. Make sure it's on 0.1, like this. And then you will want to push it up. Make it long there. And you'll you want to make it like this. But it is optional, but don't let it touch the ground. And then you would need this tool. I'm sorry, I actually made a mistake earlier. You do need this tool. Actually, you might not have to because of rotate. So you can rotate the blocks, but I'm not gonna rotate. I'm just gonna clone them because it's easier. And then once you have 2 pieces of this, you want to rotate it a little up. And if you don't have this tool, this one, then you can just use the rotating tool here. And then you will want to move the block. You will want to move that down so it's like this. And then you will want to change the settings to 0.1 again. Of course, it could be optional which one. And then use the scale tool. Make this shorter. And then you would want to move it again. So it will look like this. And then you would want to do the exact same piece right here on the other side. So people who don't have this tool, I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna do it like this because it's easier and I don't want this tutorial to take 30 minutes. After you're done making the next block, you will want to also make it right here. That's not correct. And if you have to, you can pause the video. Once you have something looking like this, you can go and now make the exact same thing as the middle part, which is the main part. It's 2 blocks long. Of course, I don't want to make the exact same thing. And then with the scale tool again, you want to scale only 0.1 up. And then you would want that to be inside the block. And then you would actually want to get this block, move it like this, make it thin in the middle, and then color it whatever color you like. But for this video, I'm just gonna make it blue. And then you'll want to get a hinge right here. And then make sure to move it down. So it's just like this. And then you want to use the property tool, make it invisible. Oh, and the outline is completely optional, but I am just gonna make it black because it looks nice. So yep, that's my hoverboard. And then now all you need to do is get a glue block and place 3 there. Use the property tool, make it invisible. And then if the bottom is glitching like that, don't worry, just select it with the scale tool and move it up some. There. And then if you actually want it to hover, then just put any block underneath. I'm just gonna put 1 gold block underneath. And then I'm going to scale that gold block up a little. Use the property tool on it. Make it invisible. And then there you go. All you gotta do now is get the property tool and unanchor everything. And then there you go. You have a hoverboard. I think I actually messed something up a little, so I think I just gotta select the block at the bottom. Oh, oops. What? A glitch is happening. Oh, I need to do that. And then something is glitching for me. I don't know, it's probably the glue blocks. Actually, the glue block's fine. What? Wait, what is happening? What is happening? Gold block. Move down some, like that. Is that the problem? Oh yeah, the gold block was just glitching a little. Like it was too much inside my build. So like, don't make it hit the hinge. And then boom, you got your own hoverboard. It's just like the old gold grinder where you make a cross. Yeah, it's the exact same controls as that. It's a little good money grinder, and it's super, and it just looks cool. So if you guys want some more videos and not some more shorts, just comment video on this video, I guess. What is happening? I'm immune. Ah. No, I'm not immune. Okay. Well, that was a nice tutorial. Nice.